How to log into ING online banking. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how you can log in ING, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. For that, you can head over to ING Bank online banking website, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface of the online banking of ING. So all you need to do is at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a client area beside the three horizontal lines. So you can tap on that option and it will lead you to the login page. And when you do that, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do is here in this login page, you need to select the document type of are you a DNI or residence card, or if you have a passport. So again, go ahead and select that option. After that, you need to enter up the document number level, your DNI or residence card number. After that, your birth date in order to verify that is you, and tap on this enter. Also, you can tap on this remember this data if you want easy access from that onwards. So that is it. That is how you access the login page of the ING banking app online. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.